Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change email address in Wattpad. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Wattpad application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you're logged into your account, at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. In order to change your email address, what you have to do is access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for profile and account. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the profile and account interface. You'll be able to get the profile information over here. Simply scroll down. In the section for account settings, you'll be able to find the options like email, password, etc. Simply tap on the option email. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to change your email. What you have to do is simply enter your new email over here. So tap on the field of new email and enter the new email address over here. After you do that, what you have to do is confirm the password. Simply enter your password. Now after you enter the new email and password, tap on the change option that you can see on the screen. Now after doing that, you can see over here your email will be changed. So that is how you change email address in Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.